Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the procedure entry point not found dynamic link library error in Windows. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Start menu, search for System Information, and open it. In the System Information window, look for System Type. Check whether your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit, as you'll need this information for the next step. Now, open your web browser and search for Visual C++ 2013 download. Open the official Microsoft download page. Select your preferred language from here and click Download. Then choose the version that matches your system type. x64 for 64-bit Windows, x84 for 32-bit Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer on your dais. Once it is opened, accept the license agreement and click Install. If prompted, click Yes to allow the installation. After it's finished, click Close. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: sfc/scan now and press Enter and wait for Windows to scan and repair any corrupted system files. This process may take several minutes, so let it finish without closing the window. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer and check if the error has been resolved. If the issue still persists, try installing the latest versions of the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft's official website as well, since many modern applications depend on them. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the procedure entry point not found dynamic link library error in Windows. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.